Meaning of diphthong.
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 Diphthong. A diphthong is a sound in which two vowels are pronounced within the same syllable. The first vowel is more emphasized and gradually slides into the second vowel, creating a single, gliding sound. Common examples of diphthongs in English include words like coin, loud, and time. Diphthongs can vary between different languages, and they often play a crucial role in determining accents and regional dialects. Mastering diphthongs can be challenging for language learners, but it is essential for achieving clear and natural sounding speech.